Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, class, before we start our lesson today, let's pray first together. Aldi, please help to lead the prayer first. Come.
Okay guys, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma
Warzuqni fahma biro. Amin. Okay, thank you Aldi. Okay, so good morning guys. Okay, I will menyapa kalian dengan sebuah lagu ya. If I say good morning my student, how are you? Yeah. Okay? You know that song? Okay. Good morning my students, how are you? Good morning my students, how are you? Good morning my students. Good morning my students, how are you? I'm fine, I'm good, I'm great. Yay! Oke, kelas, kayaknya belum panas ya, jadi biar makin panas nih, mari kita nyanyiin lagu lagu nasional ya, lagu nasional, sorak-sorai bergembira. Pada tahu nggak sih lagunya? Pada tahu ya? Nggak mungkin nggak tahu nih. Ya, I will play, and then we have to sing together. Please stand up. Okay. Sorai bergembira, bergembira semua. Sudah bebas negeri kita, Indonesia merdeka. Indonesia merdeka, Republik Indonesia. Itulah hak milik kita untuk selama-lamanya. Rai bergembira, bergembira semua. Sudah bebas negeri kita, Indonesia merdeka. Indonesia merdeka, Republik Indonesia. Itulah hak milik kita untuk selama-lamanya. Okay, thank you. You can sit down, please. Okay. Okay. For the next, I will check your attendance list. Who is absent today? Who is absent today? No one ya? Okay, hadir semua. And then, how about your uniform, guys? Yeah. Can you check your uniform? Okay, all of you dress well ya? Aman ya? Okay, thank you. Ya. Lanjut. So, I will give you some PowerPoint. Wait. Ya enggak? Iya, mati ya? Okay, Aldi, please help me to check this one. Okay. Okay, why? Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, I have a problem with my laptop. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yes. Okay, so before we start our lesson today, anyone remember what have we learned last week? Anyone? Please. It is about yeah. Yeah, descriptive text. And last week it is about descriptive text, and you know the generic structure of descriptive text. Wants to answer this? Want to share? Yeah, Amna. Mm-hmm. Yes, thank you, Amna. So last week we learned about descriptive text, and you know the generic structure of descriptive text, yeah. And so today I will give you, Miss akan ngajak kalian dulu nih jalan-jalan, relate to topic ya, relate to topik kita, and all of you, please QR code-nya di itu ya, coba deh kalian QR code, and then kalian buka apa yang tampil di situ. Coba, I will give you there. Bisa nggak? Bisa? Kurang besar ya? Bisa nggak? Bisa ya? Nanti dia akan seperti ini. Hey, oh my God. Hmm. Okay, wait ya. I have problem again with my wifi. Ya, nanti akan seperti ini. Ya, Miss ngajak kalian tuh berandai-andai. If you could go anywhere in the world right now, where would you go and why? Nah, Miss Putri udah kasih contoh nih di sini. I would go to Makkah with my family because it is a holy place for us. And I really want to experience the spiritual journey together with my family. And how about you guys? Please, all of you have to write. All of you, come on. You have smartphone, right? Yeah, you can use it. Come on. And then it will show. Anggun, udah? Let's go. Come on. It is serious. Beneran isi. Beneran isi. Isi. Beneran. Oke, coba kita lihat. Udah ada yang muncul belum ya? Oke, belum ada yang respon. Let's go. Yuk. Ayo, Darren, what do you want to go? Aldi, Ochit, Kayla, Kanza, ayo. Where do you want to go? Yes, ayo. You have to. You're right. Do you need the QR, Alia? Do you need the QR again? No? No? Okay. Okay, so you can write for your son. Let's go. Ayo. Mau kemana nih kalian? Davin, ayo mau kemana? Come on. Come on, udah. Siapa tuh? Graceful Narwhal. Okay, I want to go to Portugal because I want to meet my idol Cristiano Ronaldo. Wow. It's so amazing. And then, coba kita lihat lagi, siapa lagi ya? Yang udah ngisi, let's go. Wow. I want to go to Maldives. Ya, kita baca coba ya. I also want to go to Macau with my parents because if I bring my parents to Macau, it will make them very happy and feel blessed. Okay, amin. I would like to go to Antarctica because I want to see penguin and experience the cold weather there. Also, I want to see the beautiful views. Oh my God. Banyak banget ya, kalian berarti pengen kemana-mana nih. It's your dream place ya. I really want to go to South Korea. Wow. Mau nonton K-pop katanya. Okay. So, guys. Udah ya. All of you wants to go to, kayaknya pada keluar negeri semua ya? Ya, pada mau keluar negeri semua karena di Indonesia udah ini ya. Udah hatam ya. Okay. So, itu dia ya tadi pengen kemana. Nah, dari tempat-tempat ini bisa disimpulkan kalau hari ini tuh kita mau belajar apa sih? Descriptive text-nya tentang apa? Place, ya. Tentunya descriptive text ini akan membahas tentang place, di mana nanti learning goals-nya itu kalian bisa nih analyze the structure and language features of descriptive text, and then evaluate example of descriptive text based on criteria, and you have to create ya. Nanti kita di next step itu nanti bakalan create a digital poster containing descriptive text using Canva. Familiar ya, udah ya menggunakan Canva ya nggak sih? Kalian mah udah jago menggunakan Canva. And then present the resulting descriptive poster orally with confidence and communication. So all of you nanti akan make groups and you have to create your place that you want to go with your groups and you have to present it. Okay? Okay, you get the point, guys? Yeah, thank you. Okay, lanjut ya. Okay, lanjut. Nah, sebelum kita gimana sih cara bikinnya kan ya, sebelum nanti kalian memproduksi atau meng-create apa namanya tadi, meng-create poster about your place that you want to go. I will show you the video. About this one. It is about how to make a descriptive text ya. Okay, how to make a descriptive text. Ini dia. Oke, ini dia ya. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, please ya amati dulu ya.
Welcome to English lesson. Belajar sambil rebahan atau picture lesson. Be fun. Nice people, hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana sih cara menyusun teks deskriptif tentang tempat wisata. Apa saja sih yang akan kita deskripsikan tentang tempat wisata? Yang pertama adalah identitinya atau identitasnya. Misalnya nama tempatnya apa, dia itu sebagai tempat apa, kemudian lokasinya ada di mana. Yang kedua, tentang what does it look like? Seperti apa sih tempat wisata tersebut? Misal, dari bentuknya, dari tingginya, fasilitas di situ apa saja, di situ ada apa aja, kemudian keunikannya. Dan yang ketiga, bisa berupa historinya atau sejarahnya. Kapan sih itu dibangun? Siapa sih yang membangun? Nah, poin-poin itu tadi seperti identitas, kemudian what does it looks like, kemudian historinya, itu bisa kamu jadikan acuan apabila kamu ingin menyusun teks deskripsi.
Ya, boleh dicatat ya, apa aja yang yang bisa digunain nanti, boleh dicatat.
Contoh teks deskripsi tentang tempat wisata. Saya punya sebuah gambar, ini adalah gambar dari Menara Kudus. Kita tulis saja judulnya Menara Kudus. Seperti tadi, yang pertama kali kita deskripsikan adalah tentang identitinya atau identitasnya. Identitasnya, namanya apa sih? Kita tulis. Menara Kudus is one of destination of religious reasons in Central Java. Jadi Menara Kudus itu adalah salah satu wisata religi yang ada di Jawa Tengah. Kemudian, misal kita lanjut lagi ke lokasinya, misal. Masjid Menara Kudus, also known disebut juga dengan Masjid Aqsa, is located. Letaknya ada di Desa Kauman, Kauman Village Kudus. Nah, ini sudah nama dan juga tempatnya. Maka ini namanya adalah identity atau identitasnya. Kita lanjut ke paragraf kedua tentang history misalnya. Contohnya, Menara Kudus was built during the Sunan Kudus in 1549. Jadi misalnya Menara Kudus ini dibangun di era Sunan Kudus. Kemudian tentang bagaimana sih awalnya dibangun ini? Ini awalnya dibangun ini tidak hanya sebagai tempat ibadah, melainkan juga untuk tempat adaptasi penyebaran agama Islam. Selain dibangun kapan, kemudian dibangun untuk apa, kita lanjut lagi ke karakteristiknya atau what does Menara Kudus look like? Seperti apa sih itu Menara Kudus? Kita bisa mulai dari ciri-ciri bangunannya. Misalnya, dari bangunannya, the building and decoration ini mengindikasikan menggunakan Hindu Jawa. Kemudian bentuknya seperti candi. Tingginya, it has height about 18 meters. Jadi tingginya sekitar 18 meter. Kemudian di situ ada apa saja? Ini ada piring-piringnya di sini. Jadi kemudian biasanya di sini tuh ada piring-piringnya. Kita tulis bahwa di sekitar bangunan itu didekorasi juga dengan 32 piring ilustrasi. Contoh lagi, misalnya di dalamnya itu ada tangga. Kemudian juga Menara Kudus ini ada 3 bagian. Jadi bagian kaki, bagian body dan juga bagian atapnya. Atapnya seperti apa, kemudian bagian kaki itu kayak gimana, nanti bisa kita jelaskan di sana. Paragraf pertama yang berisi tentang identity atau identitasnya di dalam teks deskriptif ini disebut dengan identification. Sedangkan untuk paragraf kedua yang berisi tentang history, kemudian karakteristiknya ini disebut dengan description. Nah, itu tadi adalah contoh bagaimana cara menyusun teks deskriptif tentang tourism atau tempat wisata. Bisa dimulai dari identity, kemudian karakteristiknya seperti apa, historinya seperti apa. Semoga bermanfaat buat kalian. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.
Oke guys, itu dia tadi videonya tentang how to write a descriptive text ya. It's especially how to write a place tourism ya, tourism place ya nggak sih, tempat wisata. Gimana sih caranya kalau misalkan kita mau mendeskripsikan tempat wisata itu gimana nih gitu. Kan kayak sekarang itu banyak banget ya vlog-vlog, TikTok kayak gitu kan nggak sih, social media yang selalu mengajak let's go nih, kita lagi pergi ke suatu tempat, misalkan ini hidden place, hidden gem kayak gitu kan. Seperti itu. Nah, tadi udah ada identification, description. So, who wants to share volunteers ya? Who want to share about this video? Ya, siapa? Okay, Alia, you can stand up please.
Semuanya itu tentang bagaimana cara kita menulis sebuah descriptive text.
Mhm.
Di situ kan ada nih tentang tempat, jadi bisa dilihat dari identitasnya. Nah, identitas
Yes.
itu tadi dikasih tahu, bisa dimulai dari apa sih nama tempatnya atau lokasinya tuh di mana.
Oke.
Lalu masuk ke bisa juga tentang history atau siapa sih yang ngebangun atau dibangunnya di
Yes,
mana.
history-nya.
Lalu kemudian yang terakhir itu saya nyatet tentang keunikannya. Ini kira-kira tempat itu punya keunikan
Karakteristiknya ya.
Nah,
Uniqueness.
itu kalau identitas yang tadi dia masuknya ke identification, sedangkan untuk keunikan dan karakteristik masuknya ke description.
Okay, thank you. Alia, give applause please. Okay. Anybody wants to share about this video? Ada yang mau share lagi nggak? Okay, good job Alia. And then I wanna ask you ya, how is the structure of the description in the video? It is a similar with what have we learned before? Sama nggak sih? Sama apa yang kita pelajarin sebelumnya tuh sama nggak? Iya, similar ya. Coba Kanza, you can answer maybe. You can stand up. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you Kanza. Yeay. Give applause ya. Berarti kalau misalkan nanti Miss minta nih kalian to make some place that you want to go to your groups ya. Nanti kalian akan ini udah terbentuk grupnya ya based on your diagnostic test last week. Ya, this is your groups 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 4 5. Nih 5, this is a 5, oke? Ya, nanti oke kita lihat dulu ya. Ini ada apa aja. And then selain itu ada apa aja lagi nih? The video combine tadi udah ya, combine of narration ya nggak sih? Jadi videonya mengkombinasikan narasi yang seperti ini dengan visual ya nggak sih? Visual yang dimana orang tuh bisa ya can imagine the place-nya ya nggak? Tuh, walaupun belum pernah pergi ke sana tuh. Oh, jadi kayak udah kebayang aja gitu ya nggak sih? Ya udah kebayang, oh kayaknya bagus ya ke sana seperti itu ya. Oke, lanjut. Kita bahas. Oke, kita sudah learning videonya. Ya, sekarang nih Miss punya nih ya. Know all of you know how to write description and how to write descriptive text ya nggak sih? I have two text in here. Ya, you can see ya. Miss punya 2 teks di sini. And I want you to analyze this text. Menurut kalian tuh gimana sih? Ini teksnya, ini teks 1, ini teks 2 nih. Which one that text good and which one that not good? Nggak bad sih, cuma not good aja gitu. Ayo, coba di itu dulu deh sama grup ya. With your group. Coba di apa namanya? Di discuss. Discussing. Kaliannya discuss tuh, discuss. Come on, Anggun, let's go to discuss. Ya, yang mana tuh? Menurut kalian tuh? And then don't forget ya, give your reason ya, give your reason. Kenapa nih teks 1? Oh, misalkan teks 1 itu tuh nggak bagus karena dia tuh too short maybe ya. And number 2-nya apa kayak gitu. Setiap grup ya, ini setiap grup harus ngasih itunya ya. Every groups. Ayo, discuss dulu dong, discuss dulu dong. No, discuss lah. Oh ya, it's easy, right? It's too easy, I think. All of you ya, all of you, all of groups. I mean all of groups. Ya, grupsnya Aldi. Nanti analisis teksnya seperti apa, and then grupsnya Agni nanti analisisnya seperti apa, and grup Alia analisisnya seperti apa. Kayak gitu ya. Wait. Coba kita baca dari belakang, kebaca nggak? Coba Miss ituin deh dari belakang deh. Bisa nggak ya? Bisa. The Old City.
Yeah, we are ready, Miss.
Okay, are you ready? Ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, wait, I'm not ready.
But we have the last week.
Iya. Wait ya. Okay. Okay. So groups Aldi's group. Okay. Who wants to speak up? Orchid. Okay. Orchid, stand up, please. Orchid, stand up, please.
Jadi menurut saya,
In English, please.
jadi in my opinion,
Your group opinions, right?
the group opinion,
Yeah.
one of the two texts, which is the good text, is the text
Number?
about OCT of Jakarta. Because
Okay.
it is have lots of vocabulary, and it is talk about so many activity that we can do in the class, and then it talk about specific place. Because it different between text one that really very short.
Yes,
then,
very short, yeah.
Itu hanya mengatakan gunung gitu.
We don't know about specific place.
Where's the location of the mountain? What mountain that he says? Gitu. Yeah. And there is so many mountain in this world. In Indonesia too, that we know one of my favorite mountain is Gunung Gede.
Yeah.
In Bogor.
Okay, di Bogor ya Gunung Gede. Okay, thank you, Acit. Give applause dong. Okay, how about Davin's group?
Text. The sentences is very short and fully developed. No place names,
Yeah.
and no information about the location and activities. But on the high text, there is a complete structured text, lots of descriptive vocabulary, and it has the location, activities, and the atmosphere is clearly conveyed.
Okay, thank you, Davin. How about Agnes group? Wants to speak up? Ayo, Agni, ayo. Yeah, Kota Tua, the old city. What? What you want to say? Okay, thank you, Agni. Yeah. So the summary. Jadi summary-nya jadi yang lebih bagus itu yang ya right text ya, karena dia lebih complete. Terus generic structure-nya juga terdiri dari identification sama description-nya. Di sini kan I love taking photos there katanya gitu. Terus ada namanya juga di Old City of Jakarta kan, di Old City of Jakarta kan cuma satu doang ya. Kota tua Jakarta. Nah, kalau misalkan yang di sini, my favorite place is the mountain. Ya, we don't know. Dia perginya ke mountain mana nih, kayak gitu kan. Ya, emang sih sukanya dia gunung, yang hike and big. Banyak kok ya, yang sekarang kalian juga kalau liburan kemarin tuh ya. Some of you, I saw in your story, ada tuh Aska pergi tuh ke Gunung Gede kemarin gitu kan. Jalan-jalan tuh ke Gunung Gede. Daki ya, dia hiking ya, like it with goes ya. Jadi ini tuh kurang deskriptif ya, kurang apa namanya, description-nya tuh nggak ada gitu loh. Jadi cuman generally gitu, cuman so simple, it's too short, and then ya tidak menggambarkan apa-apa sebenarnya, cuman ya begitu aja gitu ya. Oke, wow, good job guys. Berarti nih ya, tadi udah tahu gimana caranya bikin descriptive text ya nggak sih? Terus gimana caranya mendeskripsikan suatu tempat. Terus udah bisa juga menganalisis yang mana sih teks yang bagusnya, yang mana teks yang enggak bagusnya. So now, ya. Before nih, berarti udah bisa nih, karena tujuan utama kita tadi kan meng-create ya nggak sih? Meng-create poster with Canva ya, using Canva. So, yeah, I want to go but before it, we have to break sejenak kali ya. Kita break dulu ya. Breaknya, I mean kita punya ice breaking. Ya, sebelum nantinya ini ya, make poster place nanti, ya, come on. We have to ice breaking dulu ya. Kita cari dulu ini ice breaking-nya. Apa nih? Ice breaking bear. Jangan senam penguin ya. Mau yang mana nih? Kalian mau yang mana nih? Hah? Senam penguin? Hah? Pong-pong? Pompo? Biar kaliannya ini enjoy dulu nih. Pong-pong. Pong-pong. Pong sipong. Okay, I want to see what is pong sipong. Okay. Kita coba ya. Pong sipong yang ini kah? Darren? Okay. Pong sipong? Wait. Ini ya. Wait, I cannot hear this voice. Okay, are you ready guys? Stand up please. Okay, ready ya? Wait, I'm not ready. Pong sipong pong. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Apa kalian perlu ke sini nggak nih? Oh, alah. Asik. No. Lanjut ya. Yeah. Wait, I have a trouble. Okay. Wait. Oke, nanti kita lanjutin ya si pongpongnya. Ya, nanti kita lanjutin si pongpongnya karena itu belum selesai ternyata. So many problems, right? But it's okay. Are you still happy, guys? Yeah. Yeah, you have to semangat ya. Masih semangat kan ya? Ih, masihnya begitu banget ya? Masih. Ini kita mau lanjutin si pongpongnya apa mau ini nih? Mau langsung create a Canva nih? Mau create Canva lagi ya? After this, we create this Canva, baru kita continue ya. Continue si pongpong. Oke. So, ya. Kita lanjut to create. Okay. Nih ya. So let's start, guys. Make poster place that you groups and you want to go. Ya, buatlah poster tempat, menggambarkan tempat yang ingin kalian kunjungi bersama grup kalian. Nih, jadi bukan pengennya kalian doang nih ya grupnya. Bukan pengennya kalian aja nih yang gue pengennya ke Korea misalkan, tapi yang lainnya pada nggak mau ke Korea, nah kan nggak kayak gitu ya. Jadi berdasarkan your groups aja gitu. Let's go. Bikin yang gimana nantinya itu teman-teman yang lain tuh ikutan ya, ikutan pengen ke sana gitu loh, pengen ikutan pergi gitu. Ya, I'm going to invite you to create digital poster in groups using Canva ya. Okay. Guys, this poster will contain descriptive text you have created yourself about your dream destination ya, about your group's destination, favorite spot atau chosen local destination bisa ya. Kalau maunya di lokal-lokal aja is okay kok, nggak apa-apa. Ya. Yeah, so today you are to be a designer and creator ya, creator of your content, your poster. Oke. Iya. Jadi kalian mendeskripsikan tempat yang mau kalian tampilkan nanti. Yang kalian tuh mau pergi kemana nih nanti misalkan. Discuss aja dulu. Mau kemana nih, kita mau nentuin kemana. Yeah. I will give you 20 minutes ya. Yeah, 20 minutes I think it's enough ya. 20 minutes. Okay? Oh yeah, guys, after you make your poster, each group will present their work ya. in front of class, and other groups will provide questions or feedback. Jadi misalkan ada teman kalian, misalkan kelompoknya Darren maju, nanti ada yang ngasih feedback nih, grupnya Anggun ngasih feedback misalkan, atau ada yang mau ditanyain nggak tentang tempat itu, misalkan kayak gitu ya. Itu pokoknya all of you have to give a feedback. Yes, okay. And at the end of this session ya. Nah ini nih yang pentingnya nih. We will hold a simple vote. Ya, we will have the simple vote to determine the most creative and the most informative. Ya, oke? Semangat guys. Oke, let's start ya. I will give you 20 minutes for make it ya. Nanti di akhir itu bakalan ada nih kelompok mana nih, nanti di voting, di vote kelompok mana yang bakalan kasih yang bagus, and I will give you some gift ya. Ya dong. Iya dong, nanti siapa yang paling bagus nih based on vote. Nah, itu dia. Nanti 20 minutes ya, masih lama ya. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Good job. Description. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Where you want to go? Dubai. Oh. Wow. It's my dream too. Oh, Dubai. Chocolate Dubai. You also want to go to Dubai because chocolate? No lah ya. Burj Khalifa. Thank you. Don't forget to write description-nya ya. Yeah. You have to invite your friends to go to there. Yeah. Okay, where you groups want to go?
Amsterdam.
Wait, Amsterdam. Okay, don't forget to write description and invite your friends, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Your friend can imagine that your place. Yeah. Don't forget the description ya. Please please make like our example of text tadi ya. Kayak tadi kan kalian udah dapat example-nya tuh. Jangan short banget itunya description-nya. Wait. Okay. Dubai, yeah. Where is the description? Where is the identification? Yeah, you know that, yeah. Okay. Let's check. Let's check. Where's the description? Where's the identification?
Dubai is a modern and luxurious
It is
city.
identification or description?
Description.
Okay.
In
Are you sure?
United
Description?
Arab Emirates.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Futuristic and
How minutes? How minutes? I think 10 minutes ya. 10 minute again. Udah 10 menit nih.
Are you ready?
No.
10 minutes ya. Masih ada waktu ya, 10 minutes ya. You can learn about your presentation. So cute. Yeah, good job. It's like real photos ya.
Iya. Jadi kita lagi di beach.
Iya. It's done. Okay. Can I see this one?
Yes.
Mhm.
to visit Van Gogh Museum.
Van Gogh Museum. Oh ya. Oh. Oke. Cukup. Yeah. It is a. Oh my God. So sorry. It is a identification and it is a description, right? Ya. Oke. Wait a minute ya. Kita masih punya waktu beberapa menit lagi before we present. It's not we, but you guys. Oke, keren. Mhm. Nanti yang voting kalian ya, kalian yang voting nih, kalian nanti. Yang mana nih yang bagusnya? And I will vote too ya. Miss juga bakalan vote. Satu orang hanya bisa votingnya satu. Group 1, group 2, or group 3. Tuh. Okay, are you ready guys? Finish ya? Okay, you have finished ya? All of you have finished. Okay, before we sebelum kita mempresentasikan nih, sebelum kalian mempresentasikan, kita ice breaking dulu ya. Kita ice breaking dulu. Ya, kita ice breaking dulu sebentar. Wait, kita cari dulu. Nih, ada ide nggak nih? Mau ini? Ada ide mau ice breaking apa lagi nih? Untuk melemaskan otot-otot yang tadi habis apa namanya? Senang. Habis create. Pim pom pom ya? Oke. Coba. Ada nih. Halo Miss, ada ini nih. Tiki-tiki bam-bam. Yeah. Anybody knows about this ice breaking? No? Tiki-tiki bam-bam, ya. Yeah, we will close this pong-pong. And we will try this one. Let's go. Stand up, please. Kalian mau di sini nggak? Di depan sini nih, di tengah nih. Yuk, yuk. Ayo di sini. Enggak. Tiki-tiki bam-bam, tiki-tiki boom. Tiki-tiki bam-bam, tiki-tiki boom. Bam boom boom bam bam boom. Tiki-tiki bam-bam boom. Dan digulung-gulung. Digoyang-goyang, digoyang-goyang. Tiki-tiki bam-bam, tiki-tiki boom. Tiki-tiki bam-bam, tiki-tiki boom. Bam-bam boom boom, bam-bam boom. Tiki-tiki bam-bam boom. Saya anak yang kuat, berakhlak mulia. Tiki-tiki boom, tiki-tiki bam-bam, tiki-tiki boom. Tiki-tiki bam-bam boom. Tiki-tiki bam-bam boom. Yeay! Thank you guys. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ya. Masih semangat nggak nih? Masih ya. Masih semangat, let's go. Enggak ya, ini stop dulu ya kita. Kita lanjut ke present ya. You have to present about your what is it? What we call it? Yeah, about your poster. Okay, let's go. Who wants to present first? And I think your tab can, ya. Bisa nggak pakai ininya? Bisa dimasukin ke sini nggak? Pakai ininya. Yuk, let's go. Grupnya Aldi dulu. Apa grup yang mana? Konektornya? Ada? Ada? I have. Ya. Oh, bisa. Oke. Boleh. Di laptop Miss juga boleh. Sebentar ya. Masih ya, tiki-tiki bom-bom. Oke. Kita lihat dulu. Udah dikirim? Boleh kirim ke Miss Putri ya. Oke. Yang lain bisa menggunakan Type-C nggak? Apa mau kirim ke Miss Putri aja? Oke. Kirim yuk, kirim aja sekarang. Udah. Oke, satu lagi. Agni, udah dikirim? Oke, udah tiga-tiganya ya. Oke, wait. Kita akan lihat. Don't forget ya, you have to give feedback to your group, to your friends ya. Jadi di other groups, you have to give feedback to the other groups. Gitu, feedbacknya gimana nih menurut kalian? Apakah atau boleh bertanya ya, boleh bertanya, give a question about the groups, boleh. Oke. Wait. Oke, let's start. Mau yang mana dulu nih? Kelompok siapa dulu, ayo? Amsterdam. Oke, guys, let's go. Kita main ke Amsterdam dulu ya. Wih. Kita mau main ke Amsterdam dulu nih. Oke. Ya, ini dia. Mau digedein lagi nggak ya? Bisa digedein lagi nggak? Tapi nggak kelihatan ya. Oke. It is enough? Bisa ya? Oke. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, guys.
Today we'll present to you about the text in Amsterdam, especially Van Gogh Museum.
Van Gogh.
We decided together why we want to visit Amsterdam, especially the Van Gogh Museum, because for us, Van Gogh Museum is one of the famous museums in the world that collects hundreds of amazing paintings that made by Vincent van Gogh. So in this museum, you can learn many things, the history of each painting, and the museum was officially opened in 1973.
And then we put some of his paintings here, and this one called Portrait of Flowers in a Vase, and then this one called The Starry Night, which is one of his famous paintings that maybe we all aware of, and because Amsterdam is home for some of the best art museums in the world, that's why we choose the Van Gogh Museum.
Wait.
And we have some information that
Uh-huh.
the museum has a modern design with wide bedrooms that let you guys focus on the art. Visitors can follow Van Gogh live from his early dark-tone paintings to his later one film with both colors and emotional energy. Some of the most famous pieces on display include the potato eaters, sunflowers, and unknown grass. Its modern design and powerful art make it a must visit for anyone who loves creativity and history.
Yeah. It is enough. Okay. Anybody wants to ask about Amsterdam Van Gogh Museum? Yeah. Yeah. If you love creativity and history, yeah, you can go to Amsterdam, especially in the Van Gogh Museum. Ya, tadi. Oke, ada apa aja sih tadi? Coba yang dengerin, ada apa aja tadi di Van Gogh Museum? Ya, what can that you get? Ada apa aja tadi, Darren? Artwork-nya. And then itu buket ya? Yeah, for buket ya. Okay. Wow, it's so keren ya. It's so cool, I think. So many that you will get ya. If you visit to the Van Gogh Museum, yeah. Do you want to give feedback to this group? Yeah, you can ya. Kalau mau kasih feedback boleh tuh. Gimana nih? Ya, Darren.
The structure, the way that they
Uh-huh.
Great next is a very good job.
Weh.
They describe what Amsterdam is like in their eyes perfectly, so we can also imagine what it's like in Amsterdam.
Weh. So yeah. Ya, we can imagine to go to Amsterdam too ya, nggak sih? Oh, ini keren. Join with them. Join with them. And how about your groups? Do you wanna give a feedback, some feedback to this one, to this group? Maybe? No, thanks. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good job, Aldi. Aldi, Orchid, and then who? Hanza, Kyla, and Amna. Yeah, give applause, please. Yeah, you can sit down, guys.
Thank you everyone for your attention. We'll ask to sit down again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah. Okay, you can sit down, and then who is next? Yeah, Darren. Darren's group. Wait a minute, I will. Yes. Wow, it's like a real photos ya nggak sih? Ya, boleh digedein? Oh, wait a minute, sayang. Boleh digedein? Bisa? Mau digedein? Boleh digedein. Aman. Oke. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey everyone, good morning. Today we're gonna present our poster about Kuta Beach. So why we choosing Kuta Beach, guys? Because we all like to go to the beach, right? Yes. So this is our discussion about Kuta Beach.
Okay, the Kuta Beach is located Bali and famous for its wealth. Kuta Beach is the perfect place to relax, surf, and simply enjoy the spectacular sunset.
So if you guys wondering where to go on a holiday, can all visit Bali
Mhm.
and Kuta Beach. It is not very far from
Uh-huh.
Jakarta. If you know the departure time from Jakarta to Bali is only 2 hours a day. So in Kuta Beach, we can see that sand is very soft, and we can feel the sun is warm, and we can also see lots of beautiful views.
Mhm.
And when we have also quite a food and famous food and breakfast there in Kuta Beach and relax our feet in that beach.
Mhm.
And when we close to the noon, we can also see the sunset.
And when we at the beach, we can also create like a castle sand and also play with the beach ball.
And we can also enjoy coconut.
As you can
Weh.
see, Alika is really enjoying that.
Enjoy the coconut ya.
So if you wondering where to go at Bali, you can guys visit.
Visit Kuta Beach. Weh. Okay, it is enough, guys. Or maybe add some explain, no? No, okay. Wow, it's amazing, yeah. So your groups chosen local destination, right? Yeah, your groups choose a Kuta Beach in Bali. Iya. Kalian pernah ke Bali? Udah pernah? Pernah. Ini kan sedang ya. Itu ya, because your photos, your pose like a real ya nggak sih? Ya. Iya, fotonya like real photos that you go to the Bali and all of you enjoy the beach ya nggak sih? Kalian lagi eating and then drink coconut, ya nggak sih, Alika? Ya. Tadi ada ininya, coverage-nya, but you can. Okay. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay. How about do you want to give it back to this group? It is your floor. Come on. Gimana nih? Mereka menjelaskannya kayak gimana? Interesting ya, so interesting. Wah, gimana sih ini? Yang Amsterdam kok jadi kayak ngedown gitu sih? Kayla, okay, I think if you think it is enough, you can close your presentation.
Okay, and then for group presentation, thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys. Yeah, you can sit down, please. Okay, how about the last groups? Where will we go? Kemanakah kita akan pergi? Setelah tadi kita udah go to international ya nggak sih, ke Amsterdam, and then kita go back to Bali, and the last is we will going to kemana nih? Kita lihat ya. Wow, ternyata these groups invite us to go to Dubai. Okay, you can start your presentation.
Hello everyone. So we want to introduce about our what to go to Dubai, because we think Dubai is dream journey, because Dubai is a modern and luxurious city located in the United Arab Emirates, known for its futuristic architecture and rapid development. And Dubai has become one of the most famous tourist destinations in the world. The city is home to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and which shines brightly among other skyscrapers. Dubai is also famous for its shopping malls, such as Dubai Mall, and which is not only offer shopping but also inner landscaping. Because Dubai is very hot, right?
Yes, it's very hard.
I can see in the and aquarium and cinema. Tourists can enjoy beautiful beach and desert safari. And the river called Jumeirah, and artificial island shaped like a palm tree.
Although Dubai is modern and it still preserves its rich culture, and you can visit the Dubai Museum, traditional shops or markets, and see people wearing traditional Arabic clothing. And the city is clean, safe, and full of exciting experiences. In conclusion, Dubai is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. It is a place where dreams come true, offering unforgettable adventure for everyone who wishes.
That's all.
Okay. Any question or feedback for this group? Okay. Udah ya? But in my feedback ya, I think kan kita tadi poster. I think your descriptions too much, I think ya. And then the font of your poster is apa ya? Kayak I think it's not monotone ya. Warnanya tuh kayak menyatu same with the backgrounds. I think like that. But good job, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody? Anybody wants to share your feedback? No? It's cool. It's good, right? Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, you can close. Oh, yeah, you have to, yeah, reach, ya, luxury city ya. Ini tuh lihat tuh maninya, ada banyak banget nih maninya. Money. Okay, you can go back to your seat and close your presentation. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause, guys. Wow, thank you for all of you ya. Udah pada mengajak kita jalan-jalan tadi. Yang tadinya kita pergi ke Amsterdam, and then kita ke Bali, and kita diajak lagi sama Agni ke Dubai, itu ya, luxury city di sana. Tempatnya para sultan, right? Ya nggak sih? Benar. So, voting time, asik. Siapa ya kira-kira? All of you have to vote ya. Join us. Yeah, you can vote using QR. Ya, boleh di QR, and I will give you vote too. One of you only can vote one time. Yes. This is group 1, group 2, and group 3 ya. Okay. I will vote too. It is using Mentimeter ya. Do you familiar with Mentimeter? No? Nah, ayo vote semua. Kalau udah kita vote semua, baru nanti Miss tampilkan who is the winners, guys. Because all of you are winners. Ya nggak sih? Okay. Finish? Finish? Ready? Finish ya? Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay. I will waiting for you. Okay, I will waiting.
I don't bring phone, miss.
Ayo, come on, guys. It's only 4. Group 1, group 2, or group 3. Oh my God, Miss-nya nggak sabar. I'm so curious ya, who is the winner? Because I have a gift for you guys. I have a gift for you if all of you see. But yeah. Okay, let's. Yeah, I have for you. Okay, it is finished, and we will see the result now. Okay, are you ready, guys? Okay. Who is the winner number 1? And I will give this one. Okay, let's see. How is the result? And the result is... Wow! Group 2 ya. Group 2. Wow, 39% nih group 2. And group 1 is number 2 and group 3 is number 3 ya. Kayaknya benar-benar happy dengan number 3-nya ya. But all of you are good, guys. Thank you. Okay, but I have some variant ya. So, number one can choose ya. that you want? Yeah. Number one. The winner, yeah, can choose. What do you want? Yeah. This one or this one? Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Lisa, you want or this one? Okay, so this is. Oh my God, I'm so sorry guys. And of course, for you ada guys, tenang aja. Because all of you are so good. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Yeah. 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 What do you want? Chocolate? Chocolate. Thank you, guys. So, yeah, which person do you think is the most informative and creative? Ini dia udah dapet ya. Group 2 and all of you are guys udah bisa lah ya. Berarti gimana caranya membuat descriptive text terlebih dengan menggunakan poster juga. Oke. Nah, sekarang kita lanjut. Tadi udah pada paham. Sekarang Miss mau ajak kalian to reflection ya, nggak sih? Before we close our class today, yeah, I want you to give your reflection. Yeah, this is our last ya. Yep. Yeah, you can cure. Yeah. So the reflection will be like this. This is your individual reflection, yeah. Create a post with 3 things you learned, 2 things you enjoyed the class, and 1 thing that you want to improve about descriptive text. Okay, let's start, guys. Yeah, 3 things you learned today, 2 things you enjoyed the class. Itu apa nih? Misalkan kamu enjoy-nya pada saat apa? Pada saat ice breaking kah? Atau apa? And 1 things you want to improve nih. Kamu mau improve apa lagi nih? Gitu ya. Sa? Oke. Boleh pakai nama asli, boleh pakai nama samarannya, boleh ya. Yeah, like a graceful dolphin. I don't know who is he or who is he. Make a poster and ice breaking. Yeah, enjoy. Yeah. One thing you want to improve, guys? Ada apa aja tuh yang mau di-improve? Ya, bisa dilihat di bawahnya juga nih ya. I learned about how to write descriptive text and so fun of discussion. Kita baca yang Aska-Saka aja ya. To write descriptive text, to speak English, and to present our descriptive text. And then 2 things you enjoyed the class. Make poster and get snacks. Get snack katanya. And Aska, yeah, 1 thing you want to improve is pronunciation ya. Pronunciation, okay. How about graceful dolphin? Itu ya. Siapa? Graceful Dolphin siapa? Ada? Oke. Oke, to make a poster and I speaking ya. Kaila Naswa, how to describe place, how to write descriptive text, and how to make a poster to describe things. Yeah, how to write descriptive text correctly. Okay, guys. Thank you for your reflection ya. And I hope all of you enjoyed the class. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the class for today. And then one thing you want to improve itu like pronunciation, your English skill. Nah, itu nanti we will try in the next meeting ya. Ya, berjalannya waktu nanti kalian akan bisa belajar bahasa Inggris dengan baik kayak gitu. Kalian udah keren loh hari ini. Weh. Udah keren banget hari ini ya. And then what else? I speaking and present our project. Perlu dibacain nggak nih? Kita bacain ya. Siapa lagi nih ya? How dependable author nih. Nggak tahu nih siapa nih dependable. I learned the structure of descriptive text. I learned how to speak in front of students, and also I learned how to discuss the project. Unusual penguin, understanding the main concept. I learned the basic idea or principle behind the topic. Okay. Miss fokusnya ke one thing that you want to improve ya. Miss akan bacakan one thing because it's one thing. My pronunciation, how to write descriptive text correctly. My English skill, dependable author itu public speakingnya. Okay. I want to improve my English skill. I want to improve to speak and write. One thing I want to improve is my participation during class discussion. Yeah, of course, you have to join ya, if the class participation. And I like to speak up more and share my thought with the group. Okay, class. Okay, so far any question guys for learning today? Ada yang mau ditanyain kah tentang materi kita hari ini yaitu descriptive text about describe the place. Aman ya? Okay, give applause for us guys. Iya. Udah ya. Kalau tidak ada yang ditanyakan, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your attention and please come in to my class next meeting ya. Okay? Okay. See you guys. See you for next meeting. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh yeah, don't forget before we finish our lesson, tadi kita dibukanya dengan doa dan terakhirnya kita tutup dengan doa. Mari, let's say basmalah together ya. No, alhamdulillah. Yeah, let's say alhamdulillah together guys. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you. Yeah, you can go.